Most Americans and Canadians start their day with coffee and maybe some toast or cereal. But here's the thing. In Japan, where people live some of the longest, healthiest lives on Earth, breakfast looks completely different, and it might be the real secret to why they stay active well into their 90s. In this video, you'll discover 3 powerful Japanese breakfast habits that could help you boost energy, fight inflammation, and protect your heart and brain without needing supplements or complicated diets. Stick around, because the last one might completely change the way you think about mornings. Number 1. Start salty, not sweet. Here in North America, most breakfasts are loaded with sugar, pancakes, muffins, flavored yogurts. The problem? That morning, sugar spike sends your blood sugar soaring, then crashing, which leaves you tired and craving more carbs by 10 a.m. In Japan, breakfast is often savory. Think miso soup, grilled fish, or steamed vegetables. Miso soup, in particular, is a powerhouse. It's made from fermented soybeans and packed with probiotics that support gut health, which in turn strengthens your immune system and stabilizes your mood. Imagine this. Instead of starting your day with a bowl of sugary cereal, you sip a warm bowl of miso broth filled with tofu and seaweed. It keeps you full, helps digestion, and sets you up for steady energy all day. A recent study even linked fermented foods like miso to lower rates of chronic inflammation, a key factor in aging. Number 2. Embrace protein variety. Many people in the US and Canada rely on eggs or bacon as their only breakfast protein. In Japan, there's much more diversity. Grilled fish like salmon, a small serving of natto, fermented soybeans, or even a bit of tofu. Here's why that matters. Different proteins deliver different amino acids, which are essential for muscle repair, hormone balance, and brain health. This variety also keeps meals lighter, so you don't feel weighed down. For example, a traditional Japanese breakfast plate might include a piece of salmon, a small omelette, and a side of edamame. That combination fuels the body with clean protein and healthy fats, while avoiding the heavy grease and sodium of typical Western breakfasts like bacon and sausage. Over time, this helps maintain muscle strength and a healthy weight, both crucial for aging gracefully. If you don't love fish, try rotating in plant-based proteins like tempeh or edamame once or twice a week. It's a small shift with a big impact. Number 3. Add power greens, even at breakfast. Here in North America, most people don't touch vegetables until lunch or dinner. But in Japan, it's completely normal to eat greens first thing in the morning. Why does this matter? Starting your day with vegetables like spinach, seaweed, or pickled radish floods your body with antioxidants and fiber. This supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and even helps your skin look healthier. Picture this: a small bowl of steamed spinach with sesame seeds alongside your eggs, or a few slices of avocado with miso soup. These greens act like a natural detox for your body, sweeping away toxins and keeping inflammation low. A recent study published in Nutrients Journal found that eating vegetables early in the day may even reduce late-night cravings, helping with weight management. It's a simple trick, but incredibly effective. You don't need to overhaul your entire breakfast routine overnight. Start by swapping just one element. Replace your morning toast with a bowl of miso soup. Add a handful of greens to your eggs. Rotate in a different protein, like grilled salmon or tofu, once or twice a week. Over time, these small changes stack up, and you'll notice better digestion, more stable energy, and even clearer skin. The key takeaway: longevity isn't about complicated supplements or fad diets. It's about simple, intentional habits practiced every single day, starting with breakfast. If you found this helpful, stay proactive about your health and subscribe for more science-backed tips you can actually use.